Welcome to our in-depth guide on how to start a profitable chili sauce and tomato paste transformation business in Africa. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover everything from the machinery you need to the best marketing strategies to increase your sales. My boss's name is Mr. Jami. He has about 10 years' experience in an industrial factory, especially in the African market. In Africa, we have an abundance of raw materials that get into waste. Today's raw materials will be chili and tomatoes. These two products are produced in abundance in Africa, and what is painful is these products does not transform in Africa to sale and add value to them. Do not worry that why we are here to help you start a food processing business in Africa. Let's get started. First, let's understand the market for chili sauce and tomato paste in Africa. These products are staples in many households and restaurants. The demand for high-quality, locally produced chili sauce and tomato paste is growing, making it a lucrative business opportunity. Conduct market research in your local area to understand the specific needs and preferences. What flavors are popular? Are there specific packaging sizes that consumers prefer? Gathering this information will help you tailor your product to meet demand. Next, let's talk about planning and setup. A solid business plan is crucial for your success. It should include your business goals, target market, financial projections, and operational plan. Quality raw materials are essential for producing top-notch chili sauce and tomato paste. Source fresh tomatoes and chilies from reliable suppliers. Consider partnering with local farmers to ensure a steady supply. Now, let's talk about the machinery you'll need for transforming tomatoes and chilies. The primary machines for production include the following. Washing machine. This machine thoroughly cleans the tomatoes and chilies. Sorting and grading machine. Ensures only the best quality produce is used. Crushing machine. Crushes the tomatoes and chilies into a pulp. Pulverizer. Used for fine grinding, especially for chili sauce. Pasteurizer. Heats the pulp to kill bacteria and increase shelf life. Filling machine. Fills bottles or jars with the finished product. Capping machine. Seals the bottles or jars. Labeling machine. Applies labels to the packaging. Invest in quality machinery to ensure efficient production and high-quality products. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step production process for making chili sauce and tomato paste. Each stage is crucial to producing a high-quality product. Step 1. Washing and sorting. First, we wash and sort the raw materials. The washing machine removes dirt and contaminants, and the sorting machine ensures only the best tomatoes and chilies are used. Clean and sort the produce thoroughly to ensure the quality of your final product. Step 2. Crushing. Next, we crush the tomatoes and chilies into a pulp. The crushing machine makes this process efficient and ensures a consistent texture. Make sure the pulp is smooth and uniform for the best results. Step 3. Grinding and blending. For chili sauce, the pulp is then finely ground and blended in the pulverizer. This step is crucial for achieving the desired consistency and flavor. Adjust the machine settings to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. Step 4. Pasteurizing. After grinding and blending, the pulp is pasteurized to kill any bacteria and extend the shelf life. The pasteurizer heats the pulp to the required temperature. Monitor the temperature and time closely to ensure safety and quality. Step 5. Filling and capping. Once pasteurized, the product is ready to be bottled. The filling machine ensures accurate and hygienic filling, while the capping machine securely seals the bottles. Step 6. Labeling and packaging. Finally, the bottles are labeled and packaged. The labeling machine applies labels consistently and accurately. Your labels should be attractive and informative, reflecting your brand identity. Packaging and branding. Packaging is not just about protection, it's also about branding. Invest in attractive, durable packaging that reflects the quality of your products. Consider eco-friendly options to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Your brand identity should be consistent across all packaging and marketing materials. A strong brand helps build trust and recognition. Effective marketing is crucial for the success of your chili sauce and tomato paste business. Here are some strategies. Local advertising. Use flyers, billboards, and local newspapers to reach your target market. Online presence. Create a website and leverage social media to reach a wider audience. Share engaging content, like recipe ideas using your products to attract attention. Partnerships. Partner with restaurants, supermarkets, and local food vendors. Offer discounts or free samples to build relationships and gain loyal customers. Exhibitions and fairs. Participate in local trade shows and food fairs to showcase your products and network with potential buyers. Before diving into production, let's understand the market. Who are your target customers? What are their preferences? What's the competition like? Discuss conducting thorough market research to identify gaps and opportunities. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your vision, goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Emphasize the importance of understanding local tastes and preferences. The foundation of a great product lies in its ingredients. Let's explore how to source top-quality chilies and tomatoes. Discuss the importance of building strong relationships with local farmers. Explain the benefits of contract farming to ensure a steady supply of raw materials. Highlight the significance of quality control measures to maintain product consistency. Discuss potential challenges and solutions, such as seasonal variations and weather impacts. Efficient production requires the right tools. Let's explore the machinery options available for chili sauce and tomato paste processing. Explain the different stages of production: washing, sorting, grinding, cooking, filling, packaging. Discuss various types of machinery available: manual, semi-automatic, automatic, and their pros and cons. Focus on a specific machine. For example, a high-capacity stainless steel chili grinding machine. Explain its features, benefits, cost, and maintenance requirements. Provide tips on selecting machinery based on production capacity and budget. Good financial management is essential for your business's sustainability. Track your expenses, manage your cash flow, and reinvest profits wisely. Incorporate sustainability practices into your business. Use eco-friendly raw materials, minimize waste, and adopt energy-efficient processes. Let's look at some success stories. We're visiting a local chili sauce and tomato paste business that started small and grew into a profitable enterprise. Financial management is crucial for business growth. Let's discuss budgeting, pricing, and scaling up your operations. Create a detailed financial plan, including startup costs, operating expenses, and revenue projections. Determine the right pricing strategy based on production costs, market demand, and competition. Discuss funding options: loans, investors, self-financing. Explore strategies for expanding your product line and market reach. Emphasize the importance of reinvesting profits for growth. Every business faces challenges. Let's discuss common hurdles and strategies to overcome them. Identify potential challenges such as competition, economic fluctuations, and supply chain disruptions. Develop contingency plans to mitigate risks. Emphasize the importance of adaptability and continuous learning. Discuss the concept of sustainability and incorporating eco-friendly practices into your business. Highlight the importance of giving back to the community and creating social impact. Starting a chili sauce and tomato paste business in Africa is a promising venture with the right planning and execution. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights and inspiration. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Just know that building a successful chili sauce and tomato paste business in Africa is an exciting venture with immense potential. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.